How to fix Path of Exile 2 crashing on Steam. So first you want to go to the library and right click on the game to open up the properties panel, and then you should go to the installed files and click on verify the integrity of game files button and wait for this to finish. And once it's done, you want to go back to the general tab in the same window, and then under launch options you will need to type -dx11, or if this does not work you should try -d3d11 like this, and that should basically force using the DirectX 11, which is more stable than DirectX 12. And now you can close out of this window and basically open up the application where you can get updates for your GPU. So for NVIDIA it's GPU NVIDIA app. Then you want to go to the drivers section and basically check for updates for the game ready driver, and make sure to download and install the latest version. And if you do already have the latest version, try to reinstall it by clicking this button right here. And now you should open up a new browser tab and basically search for Redist for short like this, and then click on the first link from Microsoft. Then scroll down to this table right here and make sure to download and install both of these for the 86 and the 64 version. You will basically get an installer like this, which you can run easily and follow along to install those redistributables. And once you're done, you can basically close that and restart your computer. And after the restart, before playing the game, you should launch Steam as administrator by right-clicking on Steam and then click on Run as admin. And then you should simply just launch Path of Exile 2, and that should fix the crashing issues. Thank you guys for watching and subscribe.